Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to lesson 7. This one is all about how Bitcoin impacts the market. Now, as you all know, Bitcoin is the leading pioneer in the age of cryptocurrency, and it is the most exchanged currency for all other altcoins, closely followed by Ethereum. It also leads the way in terms of the overall market cap, volume, and general popularity. It is right at the core of the cryptocurrency universe, with a strong gravitational pull on all the surrounding altcoins. Therefore, any impact, negative or positive, will in turn affect all other altcoins. Comparing price action between different charts, you will be able to see a clear correlation in the patterns of the assets. It is extremely hard to build a fundamental algorithm to price coins, so the altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin as a standard, i.e. the Bitcoin standard. Now what I want to show you is, first of all, this website right here is coinmarketcap.com, and these are our top cryptocurrencies. So as you can see, Bitcoin right here is at the top with 101 billion market cap. Ethereum closely followed with the 16 billion market cap, and XRP in a close third at 12 billion market cap. And right here you can see the price of the assets, the volume over a 24-hour period, the circulating supply of each cryptocurrency, the change in 24 hours of the price, and a price graph. Now, if you look at these three price graphs right here, you can see that they generally follow the same direction. Some of them are a little bit more sporadic than others, but generally they seem to follow the same price direction as Bitcoin. Now, this is because BTC is the most dominant cryptocurrency in the market. Now, we can tell this by looking at the Btc Dominance Chart, so if you look up here, it shows you how many cryptocurrencies are in existence on CoinMarketCap, so 2,149. There are 18,136 markets that these cryptocurrencies are traded in. The market cap overall is 181 billion. The 24-hour volume overall is 46 billion. And the BTC dominance is 55.8%. Now, looking at the BTC dominance further, so if you click on this 55.8% figure, you will then be presented with a chart of exactly how dominant Bitcoin is compared to all other altcoins. So not all 2,000 altcoins are listed in this graph. They are just marked as other, which is at the bottom of the chart. So the main ones that have an actual figure on here are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, XRP, Dash, NEM, Monero, IOTA, Neo, and that's it. The others are just at the bottom here. So currently they make up 21.1% of the rest of the market. So as we can see, in 2013 the Bitcoin dominance was at the highest point because Bitcoin was created earlier, so that it would be the most dominant coin. It would be one of the first coins that was available. The likes of Ethereum did not even exist at this point. The same with XRP. But as we can see, over time, the BTC dominance has decreased significantly. Now to the stage where we are at 55%. Now, when this goes below around 50%, this is when you will see more altcoins taken over from this point. Now, in the next 5 years, I expect Bitcoin's dominance to be around 30%. This is my personal opinion, based on how the graph has moved so far, but I believe it will be around 30% dominant, with other altcoins with better use cases and more prominent dominance will thrive in these markets. Now, overall, we can see that Ethereum is followed as a close second with 10%, and XRP is behind that with a 7.7% dominance, which is pretty strong in itself. So that's a basic overview of how Bitcoin impacts the market. So when Bitcoin has positive news or negative news, this in turn affects the rest of the cryptocurrencies as a general factor. But this is not always the case, and some cryptocurrencies, depending on use cases and individual news, can actually see gains on their own and not actually move within the Bitcoin chart. So I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and it will be on to the lesson 8, which is next, and that will be all about, let's have a look at my notes here, soft forks and hard forks, which are deviations from the blockchains of cryptocurrencies, which we will be learning about in the next video. Now, thank you for watching.